Pilkington Insulation is your one-stop insulation shop. We specialize in insulating your home's walls, ceilings, floors, and even new homes with high-performance blown insulation. For walls, we provide Cozy Wall Insulation, a blown insulation solution that can be used to insulate the walls of older New Zealand homes. Cozy Wall can be installed from either the inside or through the external cladding through a specialized installation process. Installation can be completed within a day or two, and the system is Code Mark certified and complies with the building code. For insulating ceilings, we provide loft insulation. It's a blown insulation system that can be used to insulate both open roof spaces and tight roof cavities. It's perfect for topping up existing insulation or can be used to completely insulate a ceiling cavity. To insulate floors and mid-floors, we use warmer floor insulation. This is a newer system that harnesses the thermal performance of blown insulation while also providing great acoustic benefits to reduce noise between floors. And finally, Pilkington Insulation is a new blown insulation system for insulating all parts of a new build. It's a high-performance insulation solution, perfect for meeting the increased H1 insulation requirements in the building code. The reason we recommend blown insulation is because it generally delivers higher thermal performance when compared with common insulation products like blankets or segments. It's installed at a high density, which fills up all the gaps and voids typically left by other products and won't shrink or slump over time. To learn more about blown insulation, visit our website at pilkingtoninsulation.co.nz.